Looking for a tool that can guarantee precise clamping for your wire EDM and EDM machining needs? Look no further. Our tool has a maximum capacity of 100 millimeters, ensuring that your work is held securely and accurately. This versatile vise is available in multiple clamping sizes, including 45 millimeters, 75 millimeters, 90 millimeters, and 125 millimeters, making it adaptable to a wide range of workpiece dimensions. Whether you are handling small and delicate components or larger pieces, the RHS-VICE678-1 is a great solution for you. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to corrosion, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. This tool is versatile and ideal for wire EDM and EDM applications with clamping capabilities suitable for square and long parts, providing flexibility in machining tasks. Discover the different sizes on our website and reach out for personalized support.